Time is of essence. And we understand that, from picking up the cargo to the last mile delivery. We are Sattva Logistics, a pioneer in the logistics industry, dedicated to meeting our clients' critical needs for nearly 30 years. Sattva has progressed towards creating sustainable logistics solutions for cargo across 7 locations in South India. Our ICD facility in Bangalore commenced operations in 2020. We are strategically situated in close proximity to the Bangalore-Chennai Expressway. The advantage of this route is that the distance has been shortened from 346 kilometers to 262 kilometers, cutting travel time from 10 hours to 7 hours, resulting in decreased fuel consumption and lowered logistics costs. This is leading to a significant lowering of the carbon footprint by 20 to 22%. This has encouraged clients to use our 100,000 plus square feet warehouse facility, thereby adding value to our clients' supply chain needs. When we receive the cargo, we carefully monitor the receipt while adhering to the security norms. We then meticulously stack and track them digitally. Using barcode scanners helps us with the placement and easy identification of the goods. We adhere to the necessary safety norms. While the cargo is dispatched, the containers are scanned, materials are tracked using technology, and real-time photos are uploaded to our software SnapSecure, thus increasing trust amongst our clients. As another in-house initiative, every container is number locked and tracked using a GPS tracker lock on our other software TransSecure, enabling higher security. We prioritize digital transactions over the usage of paper, supporting our sustainability efforts. At Sattva, we are powered by solar panels. Our rooftop solar installation meets our current energy requirements. We produce 20 to 40 kilowatt power in approximately 1600 square feet area. In the near future, we plan to increase our capacity to generate higher volumes of power to benefit our community. With our earnest efforts to care for our planet, we move cargo using electric forklifts, thus reducing our carbon footprint. We are proud to enhance our sustainability efforts with our unique solution for water management. By harnessing rainwater in our facility step well, we optimize natural resource usage. The well boasts a capacity of 1.5 million liters, replenished in just 3 hours by Bangalore's average rainfall collected from across the facility. This water can also be used as a fire safety mechanism to manage emergencies instantly. Excess water is then returned to its natural path, ensuring efficient utilization. Our extended family of Sattva are utilizing the water and electricity generated to fuel growth and foster seamless operational abilities. The inclusive culture of the organization helps in setting up a world-class facility. The safety of our people and cargo is of prime essence to us. At Sattva, one of the South India's largest logistics companies, we prioritize sustainability through innovative methods of optimizing natural resources. Our commitment ensures safety for people and the planet while delivering digitally advanced solutions to our clients.